I know somebody asked me about the little bit of yellow line, and that's just where the heat shrinks just pulled back just a little bit, straight from the factory. Right there is where the repair was made. It's about as big as my fist, or a little bit smaller. That was right there. I'll show you on the inside. It actually broke the top part of the rudder, and I cut all the monocoque back and repaired. And then you can't hardly see it, but there's a little line right there where I patched it back in. And this is the other side, and its line is right there. That's the repair line for the repair on that right there. Of course, this side is just normal. The other side, I'll show you the picture from the inside. The inside, the tank is right there on the wing tube, and right now I've got a little tray made, and the batteries are right there. And if you see back there, the little, I used Gorilla Glue on the inside to repair foam. The outside was repaired with CA. It broke right there a little bit, and I repaired that and put one little stiffener across that plate, but everything else is normal as can be. And that was the damage right there, and I put that back together. And if you look at it down the fuselage, if you look real close, right there you can see a little bit of wave in it compared to the other side. There's a little wave somewhere right there, a very small little, real small, and that red was down here to there and underneath, and underneath that's the repair right there. And that pretty much does it. There was one small repair on the wing, and I'll show that to you. Okay, Chris Campos, so Team Flat Out, flew into this airplane while it was upside down, and there was one small hole right there, about my thumbnail size. So I made the repair, and you can see the white, and then there's a black piece right here, and the repair was made right there where it had cracked one of the ribs. So I fixed that, and of course the airplane itself has carbon fiber landing gear. But anyway, that'll pretty much do it.